Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add an author's photos in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. To do that, we need to install a plugin. So go to plugins, add new, and search here WP user avatar. And here is the actual plugin, WP user avatars. You have to install this plugin and then activate this. So I have successfully installed and activated, and as you can see right now my avatars is blank. So first of all, click on user profile, and then click on choose file and select the file and click on update profile. And now here you can see my avatars or authors pictures has been changed. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.